Hello again. I'm guessing this is part 2 because I want to play with this painting. These are Arteza paints and I like them, but I want to use some acrylic enamel and dip it into a container with my little foamy thing and see if we can make some, see if we can swipe it. And I might wind up using some gold, but in the meantime I may also use some white enamel. I haven't made up my mind yet. I just have to know if this is even possible. And if it isn't, I'll do something else. It'll be what it'll be. And it's possible, it's not impossible that it has everything to do with my paint pouring mixture not being appropriate to the paint. So I'm not seeing any cells yet, but I can hit with a torch and we'll find out if that's possible. I see some. I've got an airbrush. Ha ha ha. This is an all bets are off moment. No matter what happens, I still have chain and basting brushes. I'm not used to working with an airbrush, but it doesn't mean that I'm not capable of doing something interesting. Alright, so that's cool. Really, it's not hurting my feelings any. And I don't know if it'll move, and I want to find out. And I'm really, definitely interested in using my purples and making a completely different painting. Maybe even with a small spatula, like my number 5. Spatula swiping is a lot of fun, and I recommend it. And if I can make cells at some point in time, I will. I already find this painting a lot more interesting than I did the last one, which is not, you know, it's not because it wasn't interesting, it's because it reminded me too much of a whole lot of other stuff that I did. I'm really thinking that the black, excuse me, the white is the ticket. So maybe I'll just use the Arteza Pearl. And some more of my favorite plum Iridescent. And see what I can do. What did I do with that spatula? There it is. Cool. Wipe my spatula off. Keep scraping my paint off in case I might want to use it. Just playing in paint because I can. Boy, it seems like a great time for balloon rolls. Seriously. I haven't considered them quite so thoroughly as I have in this last moment or two. For a long time. But I am seriously enjoying what I'm seeing as opposed to what I saw, which looked very much like a lot of other things I've seen, and I'm really happy that I did what I did. And I'm not done doing it yet. At all. I think it's going to be really, really fabulous. For me, at least. Now when I use the skewer, I use the dull end. I do have some paint left from the last pour, and it's pretty nice paint. So it's very tempting to go ahead and ribbon pour right over the top. Because the colors are beautiful. Yep, that's nice. This was all pretty unexpected, but that's okay. I like unexpected, what can I say? I say that a lot, don't I? So far, I'm having a ball. I got a little bit tense earlier, and I'm pretty happy to be doing what I'm doing right this moment. I did like the dots I put in there. I really did. I'm thinking some copper, some marmalade would be nice. You could probably imitate what I did with the airbrush with a straw or canned air or something. I'm not saying I recommend it. I think it's pretty risky. I want to take the torch to that. I'm considering whether I might want to tip or not, and I don't really want to tip much. I have nice white. I have nice black. I like how the eye moves around inside of this. I like that turquoise with the green. I'm trying to think if I want to do anything else to it. Paint is pretty heavy, but I'm not going to say it didn't work, because it definitely did. I really like it. I think a little more right there. Loving that copper. Marmalade. Nice little waggle there. Interesting color combination, really. So I did actually get some cells. They're just not very big. These ones with the white over here are nice. I might have to use my paint for something else. I may be touching up my edges for a while, but that's okay too. Yeah, I don't think it needs anything else. I really, actually, I love it. That's so strange. I know. I'm going to give myself, what am I going to give myself? I'm going to give myself some more paint right here where I can see the canvas going through. Right down over that side. And anywhere else I need to stick my finger in. Yes, I'll have black sides, and I'm going to torch one more time. Tell you guys thank you for all the wonderful comments you leave me all the time. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Make sure you check under the video. There will be a Arteza link to their YouTube channel and to their website, and a place to go shopping, and a 10% off coupon, and everything else, and anything else you could want from Arteza will be readily available for you right there. I got paint in my cup, and I can fill in little holes if I want to. Alright, so this is a much different painting of the painting that was before, that was all accidental. This is me composing and me being happy with my result. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Again, in an unexpected turn of events. I keep looking at places to see if I should add something else, and I really, really don't want to mess with something I consider a good thing. Except for when it comes to finding canvas. In which case, maybe I'll do a balloon roll another time. Because this would have been cool. As a balloon roll. So watch my videos longer and you help me out. Watch my videos when you get a notification. You help me out. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. Check my link tree underneath the Arteza links for Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. Check for Teespring clothing under the video, which is all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. And great Christmas shopping there. Fine Art America and Pixels.com are on the link tree, and also you can get there through Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I'm just touching up my edges. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group will have tomorrow's video. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more will have the Fine Art America and Pixels.com links. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is a place you can see what I have edited so far of the artworks from YouTube. I am so much happier. I just love this. I know, that makes me weird, but I guess I'm weird. That's what being an artist is all about sometimes. And thank you guys so much for joining me and putting up with me completely trashing that last painting and turning it into this one. And I hope you're well. I hope you stay well. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm still talking to you and dabbing my finger in paint, fixing up my edges, and that's okay with me too. Alright, I'm going to give you a little bit of a close-up. There's some cells in here, some cells over here, some cells over here, and generally speaking, I don't know what that is. I want to know what that is. That's just a weird texture. Weird textures are welcome. Welcome in my art. I will see you guys anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, I like it better. Much, much better. See ya. Take care. Take care of each other. I know, I'm so redundant. Bye now.